the chronicles of our world, there are moments, faces, and stories that leave an indelible mark on our collective memory. One such tale is that of Jonathan Hurley, a man whose life reads like a poignant novel filled with love, loss, and an undying spirit. Jonathan is not just a name, it's a legacy etched with the passage of time, whispering tales of endurance and the unbreakable human spirit. Jonathan's story is one of highs and lows, of laughter and tears, of hopes fulfilled and dreams deferred. His life is a mosaic of experiences and emotions that form a picture of resilience and the complexities of the human condition. Born into this world in the year 1800, Jonathan's early years were marked by innocence and wonder. The world was his playground, and he, the eager explorer. Little did he know that his life would soon take a turn that would forever alter his existence and separate him from the natural order of life. As Jonathan grew, so did his curiosity and thirst for knowledge. He read voraciously, absorbing information like a sponge, his mind becoming a repository of wisdom that spanned generations. He delved into philosophy, history, and science, always seeking to understand the intricate mechanisms of the world around him. But fate had a different plan for Jonathan. It had a mystery it wanted him to solve, a puzzle that would become the defining chapter of his life. One fateful day, Jonathan stumbled upon an ancient text. This wasn't just any book. It was a portal to forgotten lore, a gateway to realms of magic and science unknown to most. Intrigued and driven by an insatiable curiosity, Jonathan delved into its pages. He read of forgotten rituals, of cosmic alignments, and of hidden potential within the human psyche. As he deciphered the cryptic words, he felt a surge of excitement mixed with trepidation. What he was about to embark on was not just a journey through a book, but through the very fabric of reality. Guided by the instructions in the ancient text, Jonathan embarked on a series of trials. Each challenge was designed to test his mental fortitude, physical endurance, and spiritual resolve. He ventured into dense forests where ancient trees whispered secrets, scaled mountains that touched the clouds, and navigated through caves echoing with the whispers of the past. With each step, he felt himself transforming, shedding old perceptions and embracing a reality far grander than he had ever imagined. Finally, as the stars aligned according to the book's prophecy, Jonathan reached a pivotal moment. Standing at the convergence of earth and sky, he performed the final ritual. And in that instant, everything changed. Jonathan discovered he possessed a gift that defied the boundaries of mortality, a gift that bestowed upon him the power to transcend the limitations of time. He became ageless, his body forever locked in the prime of life, his lifespan unbound by the constraints of human years. Over the years, Jonathan has witnessed the ebb and flow of human civilization. He's seen empires rise and fall, innovations transform societies, and hearts break and mend. He's walked through bustling cities that have become sprawling metropolises and marveled at the intricate dance of life unfolding before him. Yet, with each sunrise, a profound loneliness settled upon Jonathan. For immortality, he realized, came at a price. It separated him from the natural cycle of life. He could not share in the joys of birthdays or the bittersweet pang of nostalgia for a simpler time. As the faces around him changed and the memories of loved ones faded, Jonathan felt the weight of his eternal existence pressing down on him. He yearned for connection, for the comfort of shared experiences, and for a moment of peace in the relentless march of time. Despite the solitude, Jonathan continued to observe, to learn, and to grow. He traveled extensively, immersing himself in diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. He learned to adapt, to embrace change, and to find solace in the constancy of his internal spirit. He became a man out of time, a living paradox, forever young, yet eternally burdened by the weight of his unending years. As the decades rolled by, Jonathan began to feel the full force of his immortality. The world he once knew became a distant memory, replaced by new faces, new challenges, and new complexities. He saw wars rage and economies crumble, innovation soar, and hearts continue to yearn for connection and understanding. Through it all, Jonathan remained a steadfast observer, a silent witness to the ever-evolving drama of humanity. In his travels, Jonathan came across individuals who touched his ageless heart. He formed connections that, though tinged with the knowledge of their eventual parting, brought moments of warmth and joy to his existence. He found solace in the transient beauty of human relationships, cherishing each interaction as a precious jewel in the vast expanse of his immortal life. He learned to find joy in the smallest of gestures, a kind word, a helping hand, or a shared smile. These became his anchors in the turbulent sea of eternity. As Jonathan journeyed further into the labyrinth of his existence, he began to question the purpose of his agelessness. Why had he been granted this unique state? Was he meant to be a silent observer? Or was there a greater calling he was meant to fulfill? He grappled with existential questions, searching for meaning in a world where he no longer fully belonged. Driven by his unquenchable thirst for knowledge and understanding, Jonathan delved into the realms of metaphysics and spirituality. He sought answers from ancient texts, from wise sages, and from the whispers of his own soul. He explored various belief systems, each offering fragments of wisdom that he carefully pieced together to form a tapestry of enlightenment. Through his studies, Jonathan uncovered a profound truth. His immortality was not just a curse, but a blessing in disguise. He realized that his agelessness allowed him to be a beacon of wisdom, a guiding light for those who sought his counsel. He could use his vast store of knowledge and experience to help others navigate the complexities of life, offering them insights that spanned generations. Embracing his role as a timeless sage, Jonathan established a sanctuary. It became a haven for seekers, a place where people from all walks of life could come to learn and grow. Here, surrounded by students from diverse backgrounds, Jonathan shared his wisdom freely. He taught them about the interconnectedness of all things, the importance of compassion, and the transformative power of love. As word of his sanctuary spread, people from distant lands flocked to seek his guidance. Jonathan's teachings resonated with those who felt lost or confused, offering them a path towards self-discovery and enlightenment. He became known as a healer of hearts and minds, a man who could unravel life's complexities and guide souls towards inner peace. Over the centuries, Jonathan's sanctuary evolved into a thriving community. It became a microcosm of humanity, a place where differences were celebrated and the common threads of love and compassion bound people together. Jonathan's dream of creating a world where hearts understood each other echoed through the ages, inspiring countless individuals to seek understanding, empathy, and connection. But Jonathan's influence went beyond the walls of his sanctuary. His teachings, often veiled in parables and metaphors, found their way into the hearts and minds of influential leaders, rulers, and reformers who shaped civilizations, sought his wisdom, and many credited his insights with guiding them towards just and compassionate policies. As the world grappled with conflicts and misunderstandings, Jonathan remained a beacon of peace. He tirelessly worked towards bridging divides, encouraging dialogue, and promoting harmony among nations and cultures. His efforts, though often unnoticed on the grand stage of world politics, sowed the seeds of empathy and understanding that would one day blossom into lasting peace agreements. Though Jonathan's physical form remains eternally youthful, his heart carries the weight of centuries. He has loved and lost more times than he can count, each loss etching deeper lines of wisdom and sorrow on his ageless face. The faces he wears are masks of 1,000 lifetimes, each telling a silent story of joy and grief. He has been a lover, whispering promises under starlit skies, only to wake one day to the chilling realization that love's warmth fades with the passage of time, leaving him in the cold grip of eternity. He has been a father, watching his children grow, change, and eventually depart, taking with them the echoes of his own youth. He has been a friend, sharing laughter and secrets, only to be left with the haunting silence when his companions' voices grow distant with age and forgetfulness. Each face he wears is a testament to the universality of human emotions. He has laughed, loved and cried, experienced the full spectrum of human emotions, making his existence a reflection of the complexities of our shared existence. He is the keeper of human stories. Each face he wears a silent ode to the myriad emotions that define our species. Jonathan Hurley's life is a paradox, an ageless existence in a fleeting world. He is a man caught between the timeless depths of his soul and the relentless march of progress. As he continues to walk among us, his presence a whisper in the corridors of time, he serves as a potent reminder of our shared humanity. He is the mirror that reflects the best and worst of our nature, the embodiment of love, loss, and the enduring spirit of those who have walked this earth before us. His ageless heart beats in rhythm with ours, echoing the universal experiences of joy, sorrow, connection, and the relentless pursuit of meaning in an ever-changing world. Jonathan Hurley's story is not just a tale of immortality, it's a reflection of the richness of human existence. He is the collector of our experiences, the guardian of our memories, and the silent witness to our evolution. As long as humanity endures, so will the echoes of Jonathan Hurley, reminding us that in the grand tapestry of life, we are all connected by the threads of shared emotion and the timeless search for understanding.